Hi everyone. Welcome back to Cook with Honey YouTube channel. Today, we are going to make a delicious and easy dish, Egg Bhurji. It's quick, flavorful, and perfect for any time of the day. So, let's get started. First, heat a pan on medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 chopped onion. Stir-fry it well until it turns golden brown. Now, add half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well and let it cook for a minute until the raw smell goes away. Next, add half a chopped tomato. Cook it until it becomes soft and blends with the onions. Time to season. Add salt as per your taste. Mix it well. Now add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Mix it well. Add pinch of black pepper powder. Stir everything together and cook it well to release the flavors. Now, take 2 eggs. Now, crack open 2 eggs directly into the pan. Stir-fry them on medium heat, mixing well with the masala. Cook until the eggs are fully scrambled and combined. And that's it. Your simple and delicious egg bhurji is ready to serve. It's perfect with roti, paratha, or even as a sandwich filling. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Enjoy your egg bhurji.